Alright guys, we got a Thursday night quick power hour here. Now these are some patches that my father and I put on when I was in high school. This patch sat about there. And this patch was this big one. So I just sawed those off. Sorry, I keep going down. Just sawed those off, get out underneath, see what we got. This is the actual floor band. So these were basically like band-aids, which is okay because you know, it made it so it didn't get any worse. So yeah, I mean this is two separate pieces that I'll have to patch. So I'll probably cut this one out here. I'll clean this up and make sure this is not, it looks like it's, I mean there's undercoating there I think. Cut it around here. And once I get that metal out, I can patch this. And once that patch is done, then I can patch this on top of it. Spot welds here. I don't want to get into stitch welding that because if I ever needed to replace the firewall someday, that would make it a huge bitch. So, alright, well that's Wednesday night. I'm going to tack this on to some other videos, so thanks for watching. We got a Friday night power hour. Oh yeah. Nice little sunset, except they're harvesting over there, which is pretty loud. So I did a little more cutting on the Mustang tonight. Alright. Hole in the floorboard. So this isn't too bad. Got this piece here. Well, okay, first I'm gonna probably cut, there's a little bit of rash up here, so I'll probably cut that out, that edge out. And come up to here, right underneath the curve so I don't have to bend it. And around, cut a little bit of this out, down, and then over, and then I'll probably make the inside lip there too, so I got a nice new weld. So this will all be new. Then I gotta get this piece, which my parts car finally is gonna give me a part. Got brand new toe boards, came with it. Thank you, Mr. Tom. So yeah. Imagine I'll have to just cut a patch out of that corner. Should fit right in there. Nice heavy gauge steel. Let's see what we got here. Made in Taiwan. Oh, but at least it's nice. I think it's 18, probably 18 gauge it feels like. Nice thick stuff. So yeah, that should be no problem. I'll cut this patch out tomorrow night, and probably cut that up tomorrow night too, and make another video. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Monday night had an interesting little freak storm go just north of us. That was kind of neat to watch. Winds went from 0 to about 50 in about 30 seconds, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, got another power hour here. I'm gonna do a little time lapse maybe of me working on this floorboard. So thanks for watching. Got this cut out. That's it for tonight's power hour. Camera's out of batteries, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, Tuesday night. We're gonna see what we can do about making a patch 2. I did find a little bit more rust up here. Yeah. It's an old car. Pitted down in here. Not too worried about it though. I'm gonna rust kill it. Seam sealed a bitch up and call it good. This is some thick stuff. So yeah, try to make this patch, this floorboard patch, and then I'll make the toe panel patch. This is just a little bit of weld that should grind right off. So, all right, let me do some cutting. Wednesday night progress video. I'm not going to say a whole lot because I got this thing on, but I'll show you. I did some sandblasting. I sprayed it with the rust killer. I sandblasted it and sprayed it with the rust killer. I also did a bunch more sandblasting, and then I shot the rust killer over in here too because this keeps coming back. So that was Wednesday night. I'm headed in. Thanks for watching. Alright, we got Thursday night. Sprayed it with the phosphoric acid, and now I'm going to sandblast it to get all that acid residue off. Same with up here. Let's see how I got all black. Kind of reacted weird with the galvanizing on the frame. It's interesting. So, anyways, I had the sandblaster here. Hey guys, Wednesday night, about a week later, went camping last week and didn't have much of a chance to get out here. So anyway, this is a garage sale find. I got this for $5. I had this little guy here, and I don't know if there's something wrong with it or what, but it's really weak. You start trying to sharpen something and it just bogs right down, so it's been pretty worthless, unfortunately, because it's actually a pretty nice looking unit. So I got this, which looks pretty heavy duty. Show you live here. First attempt. I haven't tried this yet. Wow, is that quiet? My goodness. Well, let's find something to sharpen. Sure, off a clamp. don't slow down at all. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, it'd be nice to get some kind of foot switch or something for this, but it works. That's a good thing. Man, is it quiet. Quiet and powerful. I like it. So anyway, wow, this thing is not focusing with a damn tonight. I just upgraded my operating system to this beta test version of the new operating system, and it kind of sucks. I think I'll be downgrading. Wow, focus, please. There you go. So we're going to get back to work. Oh man, it's about 10 degrees cooler in here. I'm going to get back to work on this patch tonight. See if I can get this finished up. I ordered my paint and my etch and my epoxy from Andrea and Darren, so hopefully that'll be coming in this week. I won't be ready for it until a couple weeks, but at least we'll have it. Anyway, here we go. Alright, got this piece cut. I got the some spot weld holes drilled into it. It's fit up pretty good. There's some gaps, but I can fill them. So, time to weld this puppy. Let's give it a try. Well, we got it welded in. I broke through a little bit right here, and I missed a spot a little bit right here. I'll patch those up, but I'm just about done. I think I'm going to end this video because it's probably going to be pretty long. So you'll get to see the finished product in the next video when I do a little bit more sandblasting. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your interest in my project. We're making progress, guys. Thanks for all the helpful advice. Later.